What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. Sorry if you see my arms a little sweaty. Literally just came from the park. I always like sometimes to switch it up because you guys know if you go to the gym every day it gets a little boring, but it's good to soak in this little Florida heat sometimes. So I'm gonna take you guys to my favorite smoothie spot. Well, one of my favorites. It's right next to my gym. It's called Smoothie World. I'll put it somewhere in the video right now, but yeah, they got the best smoothies. Literally, it tastes really, really good. And they make it so fast. Like, as soon as you go in there and pay for your smoothie, you're out in like 2 minutes. So, definitely recommend if you're in the West Palm Beach area. Definitely recommend that. But I know you guys don't want to hear me talk too much, so let's just play some music on the way there. We got literally a 9-minute drive, so shouldn't be too bad. But let's do it. Another ad. I hope everyone's having a great week. That's the one thing about Florida. Got some long ass lights. Jesus Christ. You're gonna sit here for like 20 minutes. That's what I said. Drives that they claim are like 10 minutes long is really like 15 to 20. Waiting for these lights, the traffic. Damn, it's hot as hell, man. Let's see. Okay, we in. Okay, we on. Okay, we in. Okay, we on. Okay, we in. Okay, we on. Okay, we on. Okay, we on. Okay, we times you faded me. Never mind that bitch, I got the baddest, that's why they hating me. We keep it cool, give a fuck about them niggas, I know that they press it ain't phasing me. Bitch, I'm top of the line, I don't know why these bitches think I got the bait on me. But hate on me, I like my bitches free, she do the thing to me. Nah, don't give a fuck about this shit, she be doing it, don't mean a thing to me. I made it clear to my bitches, I got a little mission, I'm on them claiming me. I know the niggas think that he could come and get close to my gang, I got game with me.
I got some trust in this shit, I'ma go to the top. I like to sit back and think about shit I be on. Me and my guys in a lot. I made some choices that couldn't went left in the past, but I'm on that shit and they know. I like how they be acting for features, need payments in cash. I been on these jacking my block. Them niggas lame for sure. They try to spin the block, I ain't really named. Couple of famous hoes. I never make it my main one though. Before the big it up. Wait till they see when we make it though. Niggas know that I been making though. I think he rockin' the stainless though. Fuck about all that shit. I know about all the times you faded me. Never mind that bitch. I got the baddest, that's why they hating me. We keep it cool, give a fuck about them niggas. I know that they president phasing me. Bitch with some time with a line. I don't know why these bitches think I got the bait on me.
Oh, I also want to give you guys an update. Remember how I said I was gonna get an external mic? So basically, GoPro, they're all about money right now. They changed the external, like the thing to plug in the mic. They force you to get a media mod, which is actually smart on their end because now it forces people to buy the media mod in order to get an external mic. So if I had a DJI like Action Pro 2 camera or something like that, it could instantly just connect off Bluetooth. But because I have the GoPro Hero 12, with the GoPro, they basically say that you gotta have the media mod case, and then there's a little slot on top of the media mod that connects to external mic, and then I could connect to Bluetooth. So yeah. $200 later it'll happen, so maybe 300. So I will let you guys know when I get it, and then I'll probably do a couple test videos first before I really go through and film a whole POV. So I will let you guys know.
Where the fuck is Marty? Yeah, I've been looking for you. I just wanna spoil you. Turn to my heart, I got a bag, loaded with money. Starting to feel like Ari. What else? What else? Yours?
For sure. She keep blowing on my phone, wanna give it right back to it. I was telling bro how that shit was paid, I'ma get it on video. All I need is some drinking and get it, and I'ma get busy, heavy. She wanna get daddy, Told her we can get rich right now. She gave me a Chevy, told her we can run right now. Hurry up and get ready.
Also, there is a motorcycle cop for anyone who's in West Palm Beach. If you drive down Okeechobee, there's literally a motorcycle cop like right past the bridge. So if anyone is driving there, please beware. Please. And then I hate trucks like that because you don't know if they're a cop or not. You don't know if they're a cop, you just don't know. Like that guy was driving terrible. So we're gonna see. Another one. And I hate it because like you want to go around them, but then you don't also want to do something stupid just in case it is a cop, you know? So Westgate. But yeah, it was actually a much faster drive than I thought it would be. I thought there would be more traffic at this time, but there's not. That's the crazy part. Money. But yeah, for anyone who's thinking about getting into POV driving, I suggest you do it. Everyone else here is driving for free and paying for gas. Why not film your POV videos and get paid for it? So, and for all you who want extra income, it's good side money, so definitely recommend. Come on, why does everybody turn so slow here? Like, oh my god. Some people just go way too slow. I hate it. But yeah. probably gonna get the same drink I got last time. It's a mango something. It was so good, so good. I tried their chocolate peanut butter one. It was so but it was dry as hell. So we're gonna stick to some of the sweeter drinks with more protein in it. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, you guys, this is where we depart. My fault, I have to look up a little bit to make sure I'm perfectly in line with this. I try to get as close as possible because when I come out, people like parking right next to you. So try to get as close to the side as possible. All right, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.